beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet Joy, and if you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. You know the vibe. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and period. Let's just enjoy the vibe. You know, let me just stop talking and start this. Hold on, before we start this video, I want to take this opportunity to wish you guys a happy new year. Und an meiner Deutschen, ich wünsche euch einen guten Rutsch ins neue Jahr. Ich bedanke mich wirklich für eure Unterstützung. Ich schätze es sehr. I really appreciate everything you've done, the support and everything. Like, yeah. So this video is about how to flawlessly get a soft glam makeup on your face. So let's just get into the video. I'll first of all start with my eyebrows, and I'll go in with my Kiko Milano, the color 6. And I have a mirror here, so I'll be looking this way the most. So what you have to do is just... So I'll start by drawing a stroke in a straight line. Make sure it doesn't extend beyond your natural eyebrow. And gently add strokes to fill the unfilled places. So I also added some stroke lines to the top parts, but I just concentrate mostly on the middle side and the edges. So go ahead and brush it. So I'll now go in and conceal it, and I'll be using LA Pro Girl concealer. Just a little bit.
Brighter than my skin, I'll go in and add my foundation and mix it together. When done, this side.
Remember to take your time by slowing down. You also have to drag your concealer down whilst applying it, you know, so blending will be easier. You need to be also mindful of how you're applying your concealer, because this will determine how the shape of your eyebrows will be, you know. And make sure you're not applying much pressure, else you f them up. I'll dip it in again. I'll bring it down just to have a sharp edge, you know. A little more on my eyelid, and now blend it in. So it's time for us to do our eyeshadow. So I'll go in with my Juvia Place palette. This is the Masquerade by Juvia. Let me show you guys. So I'll go in with these two colors, which is Fulani and Ada. These two colors. Dip it in, dip it in. I'll bring it out a little bit. So I'll take a different brush to blend everything in on the top. simple and we're done. I'll go ahead and apply my Essence eyeliner, waterproof eyeliner. I don't know, I always cry when doing my eyeliner. So it's time for us to apply our foundation. I'll go in and use my Benefit product. So I realized I didn't show the product I was using, so I just insert a picture here. I'll go ahead and apply everything. So I'll go ahead and use the same concealer I used for my eyebrows, which is the AFRO concealer, creamy beige. So I'll advise you to let this sit for a while, to dry, because it's really not a full coverage, so if you want a full coverage, it's either you apply it twice or let it sit for a while. So I'll be using this Fulani shade for my contour. So I'll now go in and use my Koko Milano contouring palette. This is how it looks like. So I really don't use a certain powder whenever I decide to use this palette because it really gets the work done. And I don't want to look like a ghost, so I just leave it this way. So as you can see, I didn't contour my forehead because I already have a small forehead. So I'll go ahead and blend everything in. So I'll now go in and use my Manhattan X Act eyeliner waterproof. So I'll be using my Juvia's Place palette again, and I'll be going in with Zobo and Bori, these two colors. So I'll be using my Mini Maxi mascara from Douglas. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and watch out for more hair and makeup tutorial like this, and also don't forget to comment down below and follow me on social media, I mean on IG, and let's be friends, you know. I know I look so beautiful, period. That's on period. Per. See you next time in this video, okay? Peace.